Hey everyone, in this video, I will explain to you what is Charby. A Charby tutorial for beginners. Manage subscription, billing, and revenue. So first is, what is Chargebee? Chargebee is a subscription billing and revenue management platform designed for SaaS and recurring revenue businesses. It automates billing, invoicing, payments, and revenue recognition. Now on getting started, first go to chargebee.com and sign up or log into your account. Now for basic setup, set your company profile like name, currency, country, and tax settings. Choose your preferred billing logic. Now add product and plans. Define plans, navigate to product catalog, then plans. Click create plan to define plan name and ID, pricing model like flat rate per unit or volume based, and then billing frequency like monthly or yearly. Now add add-ons and coupons. Offer extra services or discounts using add-ons and coupons under the same section. Now to manage customer, first go to customers, then create customer. Add name, email, and payment info. Link them to plans and add subscriptions. Now for self-serve options, enable hosted checkout pages or integrate with your website. Customers can sign up, view invoices, and manage subscriptions on their own. Now, to automate billing. For invoices, Chargebee auto-generates invoices based on plan intervals. Customize invoice templates with your logo, terms, and taxes. For the payments, integrate payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, etc. Now set up automatic retries and donning, the follow-up, and then emails for failed payments. Now on revenue recognition and reporting. Use revenue recognition to track MRR, ARR, churn, and deferred revenue. Access real-time dashboard. For subscription metrics, payment history, and churn analytics. Now for integrations. Chargebee integrate with tools like for accounting, QuickBooks, Xero, for CRM, Salesforce, and HubSpot. For analytics, ChargeMogul, and Profitwell, and then for communication, Slack and MailChimp. Now, test your setup. Use the sandbox environment to stimulate real-world billing events before going live. And lastly, go live. Once confident with testing, switch to live mode and begin accepting real subscription and payments. And that's basically it.